Hey guys, my name is Blake and I'm going to be showing you how to hack the Animal Jam. Now, first you go to Animal Jam and then you go over it and then you hover over it and then you get two fingers and then you press down on both sides of, you left click with your mouse or click on both sides at the same time with two fingers on the same hand at the same time on your mouse pad thing. So you go to inspect. Now you go to the AJ logo, you go to enter, then you go to backspace, and then you can call it whatever you want. But if you want it to disappear, just press enter again, and then you can make this disappear by clicking all this, and then entering it, and then going here, then pressing enter, go here, press enter again. Well, maybe that won't disappear. But you can do, you can press player login and hover over that, and then two fingers, and then go to inspect, and then go player login, and then go to enter, there. And now it won't even say your name. You can go to home, and you can press enter. No. Go to, no, what am I doing? That's one way to do it. Animal Jam. This is a fake hack. No, I do want to let you know that this is a fake hack. It won't do anything to the system. So you can just do this like you want, translate that to English, translate that, then go here, and go to view page source, and then here's where the real hacking comes. But let's not do that. And so you go to inspect, then you can just enter, you can enter backspace, enter, that'll be gone, home, enter, I think, and then go here, do that, then go to, type in your name, Blake. And then I'll go to player login, I'll press enter, press two finger thing, and then go there, inspect, and then go to login, and then go enter, backspace, enter, and wait. Enter. So wait, let me try that again. Inspect. Now go to player login. Here, go to edit text. No. Hacker. There, should say hacker now. There. I don't know why it does that. And no, don't do that. Go here and go to there, inspect it, and then go to the main menu, and then edit attribute, and then go to guess, if you want to do that. But if you do, that'll delete everything on there. What even just happened? I don't even know what I did. I just did some major weird things. Well, that's how you hack. Or fake hack. Goodbye.